everyone, it's me. I'm back. Today we unboxing the famous car hollows. This one, Bugatti Chiron. So let's open it. Then look, the car is coolest, huh? Let's see the car. Is that cool? This is what you see in this Bugatti. It's very cool. Look. Just like real life. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. And there is what is cool, but the form. The form is like this. Oh my god. The Bugatti is a flip cool. About these. Oh my god. And is that back is a orange the engine. Yeah, I know what is it real life. Yeah. Really you don't know. I also like hobbies, but I like gaming just like Roblox or maybe then yeah, Hot Wheels, yeah. Then the bag, it's pretty cool, huh? Is it before? Also, this called 16 Bugatti Chiron. Then Holos is Mattel. But after 2018. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Look at your down here. Click the like button and subscribe. Now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comments.